Alright, got the chain hooked around the rear bumper. I think it's a 25 or 30 foot tow chain, and that is around a big tree. And we are going to do some pulling, kind of redneck style.
At this point, I need to keep doing this to get the frame pulled out and get rid of the kink that was created from the impact. So I have to continue backing the car up to get slack in the chain, and then pull forward fast enough to cause a reaction, but slow enough so I'm not creating more damage than what is already there. This is more time consuming than using a traditional frame repair machine, but you have to use what you have available when you're doing things yourself. I know it seems repetitive, but I'm only moving that kink minor amounts with each successive pull, so many pulls are required to get to a good repair. I'm basically reversing the damage by pulling against this huge tree.
Alright, so I flipped the chain around the other side, the other way. I'm getting a little bit more progress on the frame there, so I guess we're going to keep going.
When I'm sitting in the driver's seat, getting to the end of that chain is kind of rough. As you can imagine, it's a sudden stop because that tree is not going to move and that tow chain will definitely not break, so I get to feel that sudden stop immediately. It's a much more fun way to repair frame damage, but not very efficient, time-wise. With a frame machine, I could fix this damage in maybe an hour, 2 hours if I ran into some issue like free donuts or a coffee break.
It's looking pretty good. Slow and steady. Pop out.
High-strength steel is a steel alloy that was developed over time when automotive manufacturers started transitioning over to sheet metal frames that are spot welded to the car bodies, commonly referred to as a unibody car design, over heavy, thick metal frames that are still common with light trucks like the Ford F-150 and the Chevy Silverados, as well as the Dodge Ram series of trucks. Unibody cars with crush zones designed into their frames have saved countless lives by sacrificing the car to save the occupants. Unfortunately, it can cause more damage to a vehicle from minor accidents. High-strength steel is much stronger than regular standard sheet steel. It's primarily used in frame rails, but can also be used in other areas of a car that could require additional strength, like high-stress areas of a car body that could be prone to flexing if regular sheet steel was used.
heating it up seems to be doing a little bit better. You still see it's still low there. Still got a little bit of a kink to it. I'm starting to pull away a little bit here, but that's also because that's still kind of pushed in. So I wonder if I put it on this corner here, that'll work a little bit better. And that's where the kind of where the damage happened at, was over there. But I wonder if I just grab onto this corner.
If I had an inline pulling clamp for the bottom pinch weld under that bumper reinforcement, that clamps under that pinch weld and then sticks straight out horizontally and in line with the frame rail would have really helped me pull the damage better. Admit it, it's kind of fun to watch too. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more great videos.
So using some heat, hammer, kind of getting it better in shape. Still out a little bit along here, and I'm trying to get some more of that kink out. I'm going to use, hopefully I got enough space to use my